Hello kids, today we are going to do a very good project. We are going to design a smiley face in Python. So when we are supposed to create a drawing or a face or any image in Python, then first of all we have to import the library. So for this we will import the turtle library. So how you will import the library? So there is the syntax for that. Import turtle. Okay, so now my library is done. Now the next step is basically see what is turtle. Turtle is basically a Python library which is used for drawing the graphics. You can you can draw shapes, you can draw lines, you can draw pictures using a moving cursor, and that cursor is basically a turtle. Or you can also understand this like suppose you are having a robot pen. So this turtle is nothing but a robot pen which is moving as per the instruction which is you are giving. If you are giving the instruction that moves your pen in the upward direction, then your turtle will basically move in the upward direction. If you are giving the instruction that your cursor will move in the downward direction, then your turtle will move in the downward direction. Okay, so turtle is basically like a robot pen. So now what is the next step is I have to create an object that is a turtle object. Okay, so let's suppose the name of the object is T and you will create the object. So this is the object T. Okay, now my object is created. So all the drawing commands that will be given to this turtle with the help of this object only, that is T. Clear? Now next step is I have to set the speed of my pen, of my turtle or of my pen. So what is the speed of my pen? So T dot speed. Now the speed can be anything. It can be slow, it can be fast, it can be medium. So it depends upon your choice. Let me select 3. So if I give 1, then it is very slow. The speed is very slow. If I give 5, the speed is medium. If I give 10, then the speed is fast. Okay. So as per your choice, your speed of turtle, you can give any speed. Now next is I want to draw the circle. That is the face of my smile. That is the drawing the face. Okay, the smiley face. So the smiley face is basically a circle. Okay, so I will create a circle. Now there are 2 syntax for that. First is pen up, second is pen down. What is the meaning of pen up here? Pen up means, as I told you, that the turtle is like your robot pen. Okay. So when your pen is up, that means you are not drawing anything. Your pen is not touching the paper. It is up. It is in the upward. It is not touching the paper. It is up. Okay. When your pen is down, pen down, that means your pen is touching the paper. You are drawing something. Okay, so T dot pen up, that means here the pen is not touching the paper. So turtle is moving but without drawing. Now next is, as I told you, pen is not touching the paper, the turtle is moving but it is not drawing. So I have to set the X and Y coordinate where I want to see my smiley face. Okay, so let's select the XY coordinate first. So now my pen will go to one position where I want to see my circle. Okay, where I want to see my smiley face. So the XY coordinate can be anything. According to your choice, you can select any XY coordinate. I am just taking just random. That is 0 is the X coordinate and minus 100 is the Y coordinate. So now my pen will move to this position, that is 0 and minus 100. Okay. Now I am at the position I have to draw the face, that is circle. So I will put my pen down. So pen down. Now the pen down is done. I will create the circle, that is circle. And what is the radius of the circle that I have to mention here? Suppose the radius of the circle is 100. Okay, so now what this code will do is this code will basically draw a circle with radius 10. So let me run this code and I will, can you see here? The circle is drawn and the radius is 100 here. I hope this is clear, class. Now, next is I want to draw eyes inside this smiley face. Okay. So, eyes is basically, again, I have to put my pen up because I have to go in some direction. I have to go in some position. So, I will put my pen up. Then I will move to some position. Let me go to another position where I want to create my eyes. Okay. So suppose my position is minus 40 to 40. So that position can be according to, as I told you, it is your choice where you want to put your eyes. So minus 40 to 40 is the left eye position. Okay. Then again, you will put your pen down. Now your pen is touching the paper and now you will create the circle. Okay. Because eyes is also in the circle shape. So what is the radius of your eyes? Let's suppose it is 10. And now if I run this, can you see here? Once the circle is created, then the eyes is also created. This is very beautiful. Can you see here? Now next, you will create the right eye. So you will just write T dot pen up. Then you will create the, go to this position, that is 40, 40. Okay, this is the right eye position. Then you will put your pen in the down position because you want to touch your paper for drawing, and then you will draw your circle. Okay, so this is how you can draw the circle. And now your right eye is also done. Now you can see here, this is the face, and then this is the left eye, and this is the right eye. This is very beautiful. Now I want to draw the smiley. Okay, so how you can draw the smiley face here? So you will again put your pen in the upward position, will go to some coordinate, some position where you want to create your smile. Suppose the position is minus 40, minus 20. Okay. Then you will move your pen in the downward direction because you want to draw something. And now how you will draw the smiley face? So for that, there is a command that is write and then 90. What is the meaning of this? This write 90 basically turn your pen and turn your turtle with the 90 degree right actually. Okay. So T dot right, and then I will create a smiley that is in circle. It will create basically the half circle. And how you can create a half circle? That is 40 and 180. What is the meaning of 40 is the radius of that circle, and 180 is basically the half. Okay, because we are going to create the smile here. So smile is basically like a U shape. So U is nothing but the circle, that is a half circle. So here 40 is the radius of the circle and 180 is the half circle. Okay, so let me run this, and can you see here the output? Here the circle is done, the left eye is done, right eye is done, and now can you see this, the smiley face? This is very beautiful. Okay, so now the program is done. So you will just complete your window with this turtle dot done. Okay, now it means you keep the window open until the user close it. Clear? So this is the complete program where you can create a smiley face in Python. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please follow the page for more fun learning projects and explore more games like this. Thank you.